Hello, and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 4 benefits of incorporating fluorite, the stone of order and learning, into your daily life. For those who've watched my videos before, welcome back. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. And today, we'll be finding out how fluorite can support you in your daily life. And fluorite is a gorgeous and really powerful stone, and it's multicolored. So this piece here has got some purple and light blue in it. But it also comes in light green, pale yellow, and clear, all kind of striped together. So it touches a lot of colors, and so it is really helpful for our entire energetic system. And if you feel like fluorite is a stone that you could really benefit from, then make sure to check out the link to my Etsy store in the description below, as I have fluorite pendants, bracelet and gemstone sets, and also Reiki tumbled fluorite available in my store right now. So, how does fluorite help you? It is the stone of order and learning. And the first benefit of fluorite is that it provides an energetic balance. So if you're feeling like tired and lethargic or unmotivated and you really don't know why, you've been getting enough sleep, there doesn't seem to be a trigger, then fluorite helps to open and clear and balance all of your chakras. It also then strengthens and fortifies your energetic field and your aura, and it really gets any stagnant energies moving around and flowing and like clears those blockages. So it will help you feel more awake and energetic and motivated to get going. So as I said, if you're feeling kind of blah and you're not really sure why, then sit with fluorite for a little while and let it do its work and get things moving for you. Then the second benefit of fluorite is that it brings order to chaos. And this is one of the reasons why I have fluorite with me all the time. It's always within reach. Because if you're faced with an enormous project that you need to do, or if your mind is just feeling overwhelmed and cluttered, or you have a physical space that you need to organize, then fluorite helps you calm and focus and realize the steps that you need to take. So this is really good if you're planning a massive project, if you're a project manager, or if it's spring cleaning time and you just want to go through and organize and clean out an entire home, or if you are learning a lot of different subjects, it's hard to keep them straight, or if you're multitasking, if you've got a lot of things going on, a lot of moving parts in something, then fluorite helps you to sit back, look at the big picture of all of it, see how those pieces work together, and then the most efficient and effective way to go about working through those. So, a lot of us, especially in Western culture, multitask like crazy. And so having fluorite in hand to help you settle and just stop and breathe for a moment, to help you decide what to do next, it's such a useful benefit. The third benefit of fluorite is that it helps you learn. So often when we're learning, things feel a little new and chaotic and overwhelming. And so this also comes into learning, as fluorite helps increase our concentration, our memory, and our ability to absorb information. And this could be like information that you are reading from a book, information that you're absorbing through a spiritual class. It helps you take it in and remember it and know how to use it in your everyday life. So this is great if you're a student, if it's great if you're working on a certification, if you're starting a new job and you have to learn a new skill, or if you're starting a new hobby, then fluorite is great to wear or to carry with you while you are starting that process, or you're in the midst of that process. Because, if you're a student and you're coming into finals week, then fluorite is great and really supportive to have with you. It helps with that memory and retention. Then the fourth benefit of fluorite is that it helps expand spiritual learning. So you've got intellectual learning, and then there's spiritual learning, and there's a slight difference because sometimes as we're listening to a spiritual teacher talk, we kind of understand it internally, but it's hard to verbalize what we've learned or how we feel about it. And I find that a lot when it's Q&A, it's question and answer time after a spiritual class, and then I realize that I don't know what to ask. I feel like I have a lot to ask, but I don't know what. And then fluorite helps you put you in that space that you can absorb the information you've received and be able to process it and speak about it. It also removes any kind of blockages that are blocking your spiritual learning, your spiritual path. It helps clear the way for you so that you can absorb and realize more information. So fluorite is just a fantastic stone to have with us during this crazy life. I mean, that we have so many expectations on us, and there's so much out there to learn and so much to know and so much to do, and we have a lot of plans for ourselves. Fluorite helps keep us in check. It helps keep us grounded and to figure out how to navigate a lot of those confusing paths in our life. So this is one that I highly recommend, and as I said, I keep near me all of the time. So thank you so much for joining me in this discussion about fluorite, the stone of order and learning. And if you feel like fluorite is a stone that you really want to delve into more, in 2 days on Saturday, I'll be posting a guided meditation with fluorite. And these guided meditations are really the essence of helping you figure out which stones support you and which ones do not, and the scenarios in which you need help. So you don't need a piece of fluorite to benefit from the meditation. If anything that I've discussed in this video today, or any of the scenarios that I bring up during the guided meditation really speak to you or trigger you, raise red flags, then that's a sign that you should go and get a piece of fluorite and sit with it and work with it some more. For those who are new to the channel, I review a different gemstone every single week. On Thursdays, I post these videos about the healing and supportive benefits of that stone, and on Saturdays, I post a guided meditation designed specifically for that gemstone. So if you're interested in a really ongoing, intensive study of crystal healing and how you can use it in your daily life, then make sure to hit the subscribe button, and you'll see whenever I post a new gemstone video. Thank you, and I hope to see you during the guided meditation.